My name is Brandt Garrison. I'm the owner of Garrison Tile Renovation in Burley, Idaho. I've been in the tile industry for a little over 20 years now. Before coming in here and doing any of the prep work, I laid out the tile and got my measurements top to bottom so that I could get the soap box to lay out in my grout joints. After the prep work was done, it was time to start setting the tile. Setting tile was just a matter of getting all the pieces stuck on the wall. Layout on a shower like this makes a big difference in the finished product. The facer on the GoBoard draws a small amount of water off of your thin set, which helps create a soft set of your thin set, which helps stiffen things up as you're working up the wall. And you don't have anything moving around as you're going up the wall. If a wedge falls out, something like that, or a spacer falls out, your tile doesn't automatically slump down. It's kind of sticks where you had it. Cuts that go through the corners are all matched. They're the same piece that carries through the corners, so the color matches. Small details like that make a big difference in a shower like this. Everything in here laid out well, top to bottom, side to side. I have good big cuts almost everywhere. And there are a couple places where you get some small cuts, but that's unavoidable, especially in a shower this size with a soapbox going on and a doorway and a bench. I prefer to grout everything at once at the end so that my grout doesn't get dirty, doesn't get stained, any of that kind of thing while I'm working in the shower. Gives you a better finished product, I think. setting tile. It's just a matter of getting all the pieces stuck on the wall. Layout on the shower like this makes a big difference in the finished product. The more time you spend on your layout, the better things turn out. Especially in the shower this size with a soap box going on, a doorway, a bench.
I got started in the tile industry in the late 90s when I was still in high school. My family moved in 3 doors down from a tile contractor, and he came down knocking on our door, saw a young kid, figured, hey, this guy he'd probably like to go do some work, make some money, and he was right. My name is Brandt Garrison. I'm the owner of Garrison Tile Renovation in Burley, Idaho. I've been in the tile industry for a little over 20 years now.